Hey guys, I wanted to make a quick YouTube video because Black Friday deals have already started. They go for a whole week before Black Friday now. I started looking online and there are so many good Cricut machine deals, so I really wanted to share with you. When Prime Day or Black Friday comes along, I like to put together a list all in one place that you can see all the deals. So that is this here. I'll put a link down in my description box for it. I'll also put a link to my like to know it because these machines have the same prices other places. That way, if you want to buy it from a different store, you can. I put my favorite deals at the way top. The Cricut AutoPress is $700 off of the original price. Down here it says $499, but the original price from Cricut was $999. Usually on Amazon and Cricut, I think it's around $4.99. So $2.99 for the Cricut AutoPress is a crazy good deal if you have been wanting to buy one. Also, the Cricut Easy Press 2 is only $99. I've seen the medium size be $99 on Prime Day or Black Friday in the past, but I have never seen the large Cricut Easy Press 2 that price. So if you're looking for one of those machines, that is an excellent deal. The Cricut Easy Press 3 9x9 is $99. Obviously that's a little bit smaller. I prefer the bigger one, but I wanted to put that on there still. The Cricut Hat Press is $79. I believe that's the cheapest. That's gone. And the Cricut Mug Press is $99. That is a fantastic deal for the mug press as well. The Cricut Explorer Air 3 is $199. That is a fantastic deal. If you have been looking for an Explorer machine, I definitely recommend that, and that's the Explorer 3. There's also a couple bundles here. The Cricut Maker is $349. I feel like that's usually the sale around Prime Day, but that's in the summer, so that's still a good deal. And here's another bundle as well. The Cricut Joy Extra is $129. Normally when it goes on sale, like on Prime Days in the summer, it goes for $149. That's a great deal too. There's just tons of good ones. Here's some bundles. Actually, it looks like just this one is on the Black Friday deal. The Cricut Joy is $99. That goes on sale for $99 quite often. If you're looking for a Joy machine, I would highly recommend the Joy Extra over just the standard Joy machine. The Cricut Venture is $400 off, which is an insane deal, $599. If you have had your eye on the large format Cricut cutting machine, this is the time to get it. That is a crazy good deal when it's normally $1,000. There's also some deals on the PYD Life sublimation ovens and tumbler heat press machines. The HTV Run Auto Press is on sale for $188. The Auto Tumbler Press is on sale. I have this one and it's really great. Also, if you're looking for an Epson Echo Tank, here is one for $179. The rest of these are just random things that I use all the time when I'm crafting or in my craft room. The Cricut Basic Tool Set is only $11.99 right now, so that's really great too. And here's just a few other things. I like to have the Amazon Echo in my office and my craft room, but I also saw the Echo Dot Kids is on a great price. This craft organizer is on sale for $89. I really like it, but if you are an experienced crafter or if you have tons of supplies, it doesn't work for that, but honestly it holds quite a bit. I have a video that I show how I set all that up. But you can just scroll through here, and I think a lot of these deals go throughout the week, so I will keep adding to them. I'll try to get rid of things if it's not on sale anymore. Like I said, I'll put the links down in my description box. If there's anything you've been looking for, let me know in the comments and I can try to find it. I hope you guys find some good deals, and thank you so much for watching.